This photograph have the background and now it's gone. And this is quite easy too. So hey guys, this is Milan Ghimire from We Are Engineer. If you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and share among your friends. Please watch this video till the end because this video is very short and sweet video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, you can use two ways. One is Chrome and another is using picsart. So first, let's see from Chrome. Just open the Chrome browser and search remove background. Here you can see the site of Adobe. Just click in Adobe site to remove the background image. Now here you can see the upload your photo option. Just click there and again you can see the upload your photo. Just click and upload from which photograph you want to delete the background. It will take a while to remove the background and boom guys, you can see the background is gone. Now this is quite easy, and in the bottom section you can see the download option. You just have to click in download and you get your photo with removed background and you can use anywhere you want. This is quite simple way to remove the background. Here it means delete some of the photograph of your foreground as well. But now using picsart will be the best solution for it. Just open the photograph in the picsart and you can see the cutout option here. Just click in cutout option and you can see the person. Just click in person. Make sure your internet connection is stable and you can see it is detecting a whole body. Now you can refine the edge. Clicking in eraser, you can erase the part where you don't want to show that. In case the foreground is deleted, you can add by using the brush tool. So just click in brush tool and you can add where the foreground was deleted. Finally, you can save the image in the PNG format and you can use that photograph in any other purposes, making the thumbnail or making the banner as well. So this is the perfect way to remove the background from the image. If you like our video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and help it to grow. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.